Oh, giant drum. Come here. Oh yeah, he's stopping by. Two of them. There's a drum right here. He took it. Got him. It's a big one. Oh. This is a nice one. Oh. He's coming to me. There he is. Oh, ready? Okay. Ooh. Let's go. All right, it's not as big as I would have hoped for, but this is a nice fish regardless. Oh, that was intense. Oh, you got him. That is so clutch.
It's like
Here, bring him over here.
a belch almost.
Perfect.
Ooh.
What is that?
Oh my gosh. That is a...
Hear that?
Yeah, and that is why they call them drum. Now I have no idea what that thing is, but that's disgusting. All right. Well, woo, that's a big drum. Not a giant, but definitely a big one. Now I'm gonna let him go, and I have no idea what this growth is underneath him, but it's really disgusting, so let him go. Whew. That was slimy. Oh, another little drum. That's exciting. His drum are not as big as we hoped, but it's drum. Whew. Look at him go. Yeah. I'll take a nap. And there we go. Ooh.
I gotta put this stuff down. My bad.
There we go.
I was busy. There he is.
Right in the top of the mouth.
Oh, look at that.
It's another little guy. Oh, time to say goodbye. It was fun while it lasted. Adios. And now we wait. Here we go. One took it. There he is. All right, well, Christian left, so I'm gonna have to net this myself, but it's not that big. Yeah, I got one. A drum. No, it's not that big. It's a medium. Loosen the drag a little bit. He's fighting, that's for sure.
That should give you a good net job this time too.
And here we go. Whew.
Look at these guys.
That is awesome.
They downsized from last year.
And another beautiful drum that we're gonna be letting go. Yeah, you could really hear it now. All right.
Giving us a little beat there.
There he goes. Woo! And it just smokes it. There's a pretty big sheep's head down there. Might have been the one we released earlier. No way of telling unless we caught it again, so I'm gonna get a line back in the water. Running out of daylight as well. Bugs are also getting pretty crazy. Here we go. Woo. This is what we've been waiting for. We probably want to change our lures before we go. So right now I'm between throwing a Rapala jerkbait and a DOA shrimp. I'm thinking the shrimp will be a really good option just because of how realistic it looks. Anyway, I think this jerkbait will work out really well. It's got a lot of nice action, really darts to the side and stuff. Something a lot of people use in Florida and other various saltwater areas and freshwater, but the DOA shrimp is also something that will kill. However, there really aren't any shrimp in these ponds that we're going to be fishing, so this might not be an option. Alright, made the executive decision to go with the jerkbait. Christian tied on a fly, and we're going to get after it. It is shallow. There were some big old fish in here though. Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Look at that. First snook right here out of the pond. Attaboy. That's it right there. Now luckily this pond, I'm not really scared of any crocodiles or anything, so I'm just gonna step in here. Get this little guy. Nice release. There he goes.
That's off. Uh-oh.
There's no fish in here? Oh, really?
Alrighty. Well, have a good one. Oh, it's like they know we're here. Everybody was like, oh, there they are. You want to just like stay here and pretend we're doing something? Here, play rock, paper, scissors.
Ah! Look at that thing. It's massive.
Oh my goodness. Do you see that?
Get a... Wow. Looks like a boat prop hit him a few times. He's got the tail.